Hello my dear friends, this is Pratham Prajapati and today we will be solving class 10 CBSE Maths board paper of 2019. Let's start. First question of section A is if HCF of 336 and 54 is equal to 6, then find the LCM. We know that HCF of A and B into LCM of A and B is equal to product of A and B. Therefore 6 into LCM will be equal to 336 into 54, which will be equal to LCM equal to 336 into 9, which will be equal to 3024. Next question. Find the nature of roots of quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, which will be equal to minus 4 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Therefore 16 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 is equal to minus 8. Therefore discriminant is less than 0. Therefore quadratic equation has no real roots. Therefore the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 does not exist. Next question. Find the common difference of the arithmetic progression 1a 3 minus a whole upon 3a 3 minus 2a whole upon 3a. Therefore d is equal to succeeding term minus the preceding term. Therefore d will be equal to 3a minus a whole upon 3a minus 1 upon a, or equal to 3 minus 2a whole upon 3a minus 3 minus a whole upon 3a. Therefore d will be equal to 3a minus 2a whole minus 3a plus a whole upon 3a, 3a minus a minus 3 whole upon 3a, here 3 3 cut, same here, and minus 2a plus a will be equal to minus a upon 3a will be equal to minus a upon 3a. Therefore a by a cut, answer will be minus 1 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3. Therefore the common difference of the AP is minus 1 upon 3. Next question. Evaluate sin square of 60 degree plus 2 times tan of 45 degree minus cosecant square of 30 degree. हमें इसे evaluate करना है. तो we know that sine of 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 square plus 2 times tan 45 is equal to 1 minus cos square of root 3 is equal to 3 upon 2 whole square. Evaluating this, we will get 3 upon 4 plus 2 minus 3 upon 4, which will cancel out either. Therefore we will get answer as 2. Next question. Therefore we know that sine of a equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse equal to 3 by 4, which gives us perpendicular as 3 and 3x and hypotenuse equal to 4x. We know that by Pythagoras theorem hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Therefore base square is equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square, which will be 4x square minus 3x square. Base square equal to 16x square minus 9x square. Base square will be equal to 7x square. Therefore base is equal to root 7x. Now we have got the value of base. We can find the value of sec, which will be equal to sec of A is equal to hypotenuse upon base, which will be equal to 4x upon root 7x, x by x cut. Therefore sec of A is equal to 4 by root 7. Next question. Next question is, ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at C with AC is equal to 4 cm. Find the length of AB. Therefore we know that AC equal to BC equal to 4 cm, because hypotenuse is always bigger than the perpendicular and base. Now we can calculate that by Pythagoras theorem. We get that AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. AB square equal to 2 AC square equal to 2 into 4 square. AB square will be equal to 2 into 16, 32. Therefore AB will be equal to 4 into root 2. Therefore the length of AB is equal to 4 into root 2. Given in a triangle ABC, a line D is drawn parallel to BC such that A is equal to 1.8 cm, EC is equal to 5.4 cm and DB is equal to 7.2 cm. We have to find the value of AD. Let's assume that AD equal to x centimeter. Therefore by BPT, basic proportional theory, we know that AE upon EC is same equal to AD upon BD is equal to DE upon BC. Therefore what is the value of AE? AE of value 1.8 whole upon 5.4 is equal to x upon 7.2. Therefore x is equal to 72 into 18 by 54. Therefore 18 ones are 18 threes are 3 divided by 72 is equal to meter. Next question is, write the smallest number which is divisible by both 306 and 657. Of course that would be the LCM of 306 and 657. Therefore we know that 306 is equal to 306 divided by 2 is equal to 153, can be divided by 3, which will be equal to 51, divided by 3, which will be equal to 17 upon 17 ones. Therefore 3 is equal to 2 into 3 square into 17. 657 will be equal to 657 divided by 3, 2, 1, 27 nines are 27 and 3 will be divided by which is a prime number, therefore 73 into 1. 675 is equal to 3 square into 73, therefore LCM of 306 and 657 is equal to 2 into 3 square into 17 into 73, which is equal to 2 into 9 is equal to 18 into 17 into 73, which will be equal to 18 17 306 into 73 equal to 22,033 and 8. Therefore LCM of 306 and 657 is equal to 22,338. Next question. The probability of selecting a blue marble at a random from jar that contains only blue, black, green marble is only 5. Therefore, for blue marbles is equal to 1 by 5. The probability of setting a black marble at random from same jar is 1 by 4. If the jar contains 11 green marbles, find the total number of marbles in the jar. Therefore, green equal to 11 marbles. We know that probability of not getting a green marble will be equal to the sum of probability of getting blue and black marbles, which will be equal to probability of not getting green is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 4 plus 5 upon 20, 9 by 20. Therefore, probability of not getting green marbles is equal to 9 by 20. Therefore, probability of getting green, which will be equal to 1 minus 9 by 20 will be equal to 11 by 20, and we know that probability of getting green will be equal to favorable outcomes, which are 11 upon total outcome. Therefore, x equal to 20, which are the total outcomes, which are the number of marbles in the jar. Therefore, jar contains 20 marbles. Next question. Given linear pair of equations x plus 2y equal to 5 and 3x plus ky equal to minus 15, find the value of k such that the system has a unique solution. Therefore, we know that in first equation a1 is equal to 1 and b1 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to 5, and in second equation a2 is equal to 3, b2 will be equal to k, and c2 is equal to 15. Therefore, for having a unique solution, a1 upon a2 should not be equal to b1 upon b2. Therefore, 1 upon 3 will not be equal to k upon 2 upon k. Therefore, k is not equal to 6. Hence we get that for k not equal to 6, will 1 and 2 will have an unique solution. Next question. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Therefore, let the larger angle be x and smaller angle be y. Therefore, x minus y equal to 18 degree. And we know that x plus y, because both are supplementary degree, we know that will be equal to 180 degree. Therefore, we got either 61 and system 2. By using elimination method, we are adding both the equation, adding 1 and 2 to get 2x equal to 198. Therefore, x will be equal to 99 degree. We know that x minus y equal to 18. 99 minus y will be equal to 18. Minus y will be equal to 18 minus 99, which will be equal to minus 81 degree. Therefore, minus y equal to minus 81 degree, y equal to 81 degree. Hence, the larger angle is 99 degree and the smaller angle is 81 degree. Next question. Sunit is x and Sunit's son be y. Therefore, presently x is equal to 3y, which will give us x is equal to x minus 3y equal to 0. Second, 5 years later means x plus 5 will be equal to 2.5 times of his son, which will be equal to 5 by 2 whole upon y plus 5. For x plus 5 equal to 5y plus 25 upon 2, 2x plus 10 equal to 5y plus 25. Therefore, 2x minus 5y is equal to 15. We got the second equation. Now solve this equation by substitution method, using substitution. X equal to 3y. Now putting x equal to 3y into 2 into 3y minus 5y is equal to 15. 6y minus 5y equal to 15. Y equal to 15. Therefore, age of Sumit's son is 15, but we have to get the value of Sunit age. Therefore, putting y equal to 15 in 1, x equal to 3 by 15, x equal to 45 years. Therefore, age of Sumit is 45 years. That mode is equal to L1 plus function into f1 minus f0 whole upon 2 into f1 minus f0 minus f2 into I, where L1 is the lower limit of the model class. What is the model class here? We know that frequency is of 35 into by 35 by 40 has the highest frequency, which is 50. Therefore mode is equal to lower limit of the model class, which is 35, plus frequency of the model class is 50 minus frequency of the class preceding the model class is 34 whole upon 2 into 50 minus 34 minus 42 into size of the model class is 5. Therefore 35 plus 15 minus 50 minus 34 is equal to 16 whole upon 100 minus 34 is equal to 66. 66 minus 42 is equal to 22. 24 into 5, therefore 35 is equal to 8 2 8 3 35 plus 2 upon 3 हो जाएगा 10 upon 3. therefore 35 3 होता है 15. 105 plus 10 equal to 115 upon 3 is equal to 3 3 2 20 25 is equal to 24 38.33. therefore the mode of the following class is 38.3 bar.